Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear audience, our today lecture is about qualitative research method and unstructured interviews. In this discourse, we will understand what are unstructured interviews. Unstructured interviews are which are not predetermined questions. In the structured interviews, the researchers ask from the respondent predetermined questions, but in the unstructured interviews, the researcher asks question from the respondent open-ended, based upon the broad themes and topics. The open-ended questions are flexible in nature. The respondent have more freedom to express his thoughts in his own words. Interviewer adopts follow-up questions, means first question based upon the themes or thoughts or topics. The researchers ask further questions on the basis of the respondent's responses. The questions should not be broadened in the unstructured interviews, but deep responses are observed. What are the key features of the unstructured interviews? First, no rigged questionnaires. The questionnaire is flexible. Number two, conversational and flexible in nature. Unstructured interviews are conversations. People conversate in the open environment. Unstructured interviews are asked. The further questions are based upon the previous responses of the respondent. Emphasis on in depth rather than on breadth of the informations. Next, responses are detailed, descriptive, and exploratory. Interpretation is required in the unstructured interviews. The interview plays a key role in probing. It depends upon the dexterity and skills of the interviewer. The researchers, during asking questions from the respondent and its responses, and his responses are noted and themes and explain on themes. It is important in guiding the research and further discussions. It depends upon the practicabilities of the researcher. Next, when and where they are used. Unstructured interviews are typically used in qualitative research, especially when the aim is gain deep insights, because exploratory, because descriptive in nature's perceptions and experience. They are most common in exploratory research, to explore areas where little or more research exists. Useful when researchers want to understand why or how something happens. It means that unstructured interviews are asked in the exploratory research. Second, social sciences research is also employ unstructured interviews, like anthropology, psychology, criminology often uses them to capture cultural norms, lived experience, or social process. Next, case studies researchers also employ unstructured interview for deep narratives about individuals, groups, or organizations, being descriptive and exploratory in nature. Phenomenological research also employ unstructured interviews to understand personal lived experience in health, trauma, or educational studies. Ethnographic research, fifth, is also used unstructured interview for deep understanding of the problem, to explore, describe, study cultures, traditions and community life in natural setting. 6. Grounded theory research also employ unstructured interview to generate theories based on the data collected from the participant perspective. Unstructured interviews are qualitative in nature. Reason is very simple. It collects non-numerical data. It generates themes and codes from the responses of the respondents. Examples are very important in this. Criminology research interviews offenders to explore their motivations for committing crimes. It is for this purpose unstructured interviews are conducted. A sociologist studying community responses to displacement due to development projects. This is another example. Third, a psychologist conducting open conversation with patients to understand trauma experience require exploratory and descriptive. Unstructured interviews are conducted. In short, unstructured interviews are best suited for qualitative, exploratory, interpretative research where depth of understanding is more valuable than standardized comparable responses. I have generated few questions to explain further unstructured interviews. What is an unstructured interview in qualitative research? An unstructured interview is free-flowing conversations, just like two friends talk with each other in qualitative unstructured interviews. Researchers and participants do conversation with each other in the open environment, just like gupshup. Interview has a broad research question that guides their interest in conducting the interviews, but the interview questions are not decided beforehand. It is not predetermined questions. Next, second question is, what are the open-ended questions in an unstructured interviews? Unstructured interview questions are usually open-ended questions. These are not pre-decided questions. They are open-ended questions. Common examples include questions like, how would you describe yourself? Second, what is your ideal job? It means the respondent has to answer in a flexible way. Third question, what kind of queries are involved in an unstructured interviews? Unstructured interviews questions are informal interview questions, don't have a specific structure or a format. With such questions, hiring managers intend to explore different topics to make the interview process flexible and subjective. Means these are flexible, depends upon the respondent to answer in what way. Gauge your personality, strengths, aspiration and accomplishment. These are the beauties of the unstructured interviews. Question number 4, what type of data to unstructured interview produce? Unstructured interviews are like a conversation. Interviews only facilitate the discussions. Simple discourse is conducted. Very little is decided in advance. Only topic and some of the questions, and therefore this type of interview typically produce rich qualitative data. Basically, unstructured interviews are qualitative in nature. Next, what is another name of unstructured interviews? Another name of unstructured interviews is non-directive interviews. These questions are non-directional. Unstructured interviews don't have set patterns and questions are not arranged in advance. Last question is very important questions. What are three types of unstructured data? Unstructured data refers to masses, computerized information which don't have a data structures which is easily readable by a machine. Examples of unstructured data may include audio, number 1, number 2 video, and number 3 unstructured text, such as the body of an email or word processor documents. This is all for today. Thank you very much.